You loved it?
What?
You love? She wants to go to the snow. She's low-key being a little girl. But I love her though. It's alright. But I didn't want you outside while it was still snowing.
Why?
Cause she's pregnant and wants to be outside in the snow.
Yeah, but I'm not huge either.
She's not
like
huge. That's her excuse.
Yeah, because if I was huge, then I'd be like, right, because now you don't have no balance and you lose your balance. But I'm fine, I have good balance. And if I fall, I fall. I read if you fall, that's why we have so much layers. Like, the baby's not gonna get hurt. I'm gonna get hurt.
Pregnancy 101. I hate you. Every fucking day, I'm gonna knock the fuck out.
Why?
No, she said shit to my mom.
Like what?
She said to my mom. Now that I know this is the day, I just really noticed.
She said something sick to your mom?
Yeah.
Like what?
She was mocking her. My mom was screaming to me.
Oh, the punch in her face right there.
That's my hit dykes.
Yeah, they do, because they thought that they can't get punched. You stupid, you could get punched double now.
Facts.
By a female and a nigga.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because genetically you're a female, but you want to be a nigga, so I'm going to treat you like a nigga. But I can still hit you like a female.
Exactly.
There you go.
Preach.
I'm out of breath.
Yeah, me too. You're going up this hill pretty fast.
I'm trying to keep up with you.
Guess that's why I'm so out on the street. Won't you and your friends come meet with me? And let me show you how to whip that recipe. She said you're bad out. Always had a deep and sweet. Guess that's why I'm so out on the street. Won't you come over and eat with me? And let me show you how to whip that recipe. I don't want your apple pie, mama. Yeah, I ain't trying to dap up blocking me. Yeah, made it out the spot straight to Quintana. And I'm still at with diamonds on my blocker. I say when they come at me, I bet they have some backup. I bet I take your bitch, take that straight up the stasher. Keep an ounce of garlic just to keep away the Draculas. I just seek out to find my home. Why can't they just leave me alone? Cause I don't want your apple pie, no, no, mama. I don't want your apple pie, no, yeah. I don't want your apple pie, mama. I don't want your apple pie no more. I need my own pepper greens, pepper seeds. Need my own remedy, my own legacy. Yeah, I don't want your apple pie, mama. I need my own pepper greens, my own legacy, my own recipe. Nominated from a spot that y'all seen Bun B blow up. I hate to break your heart, I better make a mark that y'all see a legacy go up. Go yard and break your pockets, boy, I'm out in Paris, letting all these beats go up. I'm making one appearance, what these hating, making it for seasons. H-Town, no we gon' stunt. I'm for real in your rollie tick. Look, just a rodeo, but I ain't going out for your bullshit. And I don't want your apple pie, mama. I don't want a dapper blocking me.
Babe, wait. Well guys, we're coming close. We're coming close to, you know, finding out what we're having.
Ooh, right.
Pretty
oh
excited.
my god, that's gonna be such a cute vlog.
Yep, so this is definitely gonna be vlogged. And I'm happy I have the tripod now, so I can just mount it and just record.
And have everyone's expression.
Yep. So
and then we could tell like Brian to record from a different angle. Yeah, we're so close. We have what, 2 weeks?
Yep. Almost there.
2 weeks to find out what
we're having.
We are having.
It's gonna be so dope.
I know. I wish you would have been started this and would have had like at least a couple followers, so we would have been like vote for what you think we're having.
Word.
Like for girl and like comment for boy.
I hate to have these clips and it's like I don't even know what I'm gonna call the freaking channel yet, but
It's alright.
it's gonna be cool.
You gotta
It's
start
gonna be
somewhere.
At least I don't have like uncool content because I feel my first video is pretty cool.
I think it's pretty cool.
The whole Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and
Day after Christmas.
yeah, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and then the paintballing. I also have clips of when we went to go see Assassin's Creed, but I don't know if I'm gonna post that. Yeah, it's like that's when we was in Times Square, but I guess I hold that off for something else.
You still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Babe was not used to that.
What? What?
Told you.
What?
I am everything except a rapper. But I got it lit, 25 lighters on my dresser. Oh, yeah. Roxanne tonight. Roxanne tonight. Yep, yep. Roxanne tonight. Yep, yep. Yep. Roxanne tonight. Yep, yep. Yep. Roxanne tonight. Yep, yep.
Aquarius. Huh? Oh, where you going?
He's like, who's that?
Case of us, so the story goes.
What's up?
Back and forth. The evolution is absolute. Tours and shows and grouping. Wouldn't hesitate if he had to shoot.
What's up? Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's up?
Ve dale beso.
Why are you so shy now?
She's so cute.
She went hard and this like the
She's like, why
Nah, I
you putting me
think
on the
she's
spot?
scared of this.
oh de la cámara.
Yeah, get that over here.
I was trying to make you famous.
Go, go,
Say
go,
hi.
go. Go.
Go.
Whole lot of loving, 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 loving. Whole lot of. Hey, mama don't need your. I don't need no lip, just a whole lot of loving. Was always trying to hate, but when I'm with they get a whole lot of loving. Finally, I can move how I want it. I need pick the time and I'm zoning. You got me, I got you, and that's all that I need when I wake in the morning. Full of
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
Go ahead, you the star of the show.
Uh-oh.
Say hi. No, you want to say hi? She wants to say
Mamá. Leticia.
Like, say hi. Say hi. Dile hi.
Hi. Hi.
Manda beso.
Oh, she's like,
Yeah, she does want that. Ella
baby, it's about to go down. Order another round. Don't get nervous now. 10 no ones around. Shining up that way. Bad on my hip. Time ain't going nowhere. Long as you right here. Pour my lean and juice. Braid my hair like Snoop. Gliding in my coupe. Ain't no bitch like you. Riders with me too. Die and live by you. Die and live by you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Finally, I can move how I want it. I need pick the top and I'm zoning. I got you, and that's all that I need when I wake in the morning. For a whole lot of living. For a whole lot of living. Whole lot of living. Whole lot of living. Got.
The perfect snowball. Tell me no.
He's the perfect bed.
Look at it. I want to keep it.
Take it home. Do at least 100, baby. Driving in your new Mercedes that your daddy loaned us. Now it's time to take it home. Do at least 100, baby. Driving in your new Mercedes that your daddy loaned us.